A GOP congressman accuses former President Barack Obama of spending taxpayer money to influence foreign elections. One America's Howe has our report.
A Republican lawmaker accuses former President Obama of handing over millions of dollars to influence foreign elections. Iowa Congressman Steve King claims under the former president, the State Department gave millions of dollars to George Soros organizations in efforts to influence election results in the Balkans. He says the U.S. handed over at least $5 million to Soros organizations in Macedonia alone, and suggests the country funneled more money into neighboring countries to rig those elections as well. The lawmaker claims some of the money was used to translate and distribute Saul Alinsky's book Rules for Radicals in an effort to further influence the election in Macedonia.
And the actions of radicals were manifested within the election efforts in that part of the world. So I would say that the Obama administration is a long ways from clean on this as far as being involved in elections in other countries.
The congressman asserted the trail of corruption within the Democratic election leads back to the former U.S. president, citing interference in Israel as another reason Obama should be investigated. He accused the former president of funneling significant amounts of money into campaigns to unseat Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. King also requested investigations into Huma Abedin and Anthony Weiner be reopened, and slammed former FBI Director James Comey for his testimonies and comments in the investigation regarding Hillary Clinton's emails, which he called a sham.
They destroyed a tremendous amount of information, at least 30,000 emails, crushed hard drives, bought bleach bit, hired outside contractors to scrub the emails up, and we're to take James Comey's word for this, that there wasn't enough substance there to bring a prosecution.
Congressman King says the Democratic Party's pattern of using American taxpayer money to interfere in foreign elections is disturbing. Howe, One America News.